Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today I decided to make myself a custom metal sign. My company just finished up a couple of really big metal jobs, so I decided to give myself a reward and make myself a custom metal sign. Now that's what you see here. This is a moose, as you can see, in a forest scene. So I really like moose, and I was born in 1976, as you can see up here. And this is my family name, Canton. Now when it comes to designing a custom metal sign, literally anything goes. You can have any font choice you want, any mix of imagery, as long as it's a vector based. Everything's totally custom to your requirements, and also that includes sizing. So if you want something that's 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 feet long or wide, we can do that just as easily as something that's like 25 inches square. Now, although I have a lot of other equipment here in the shop, I could have literally made this out of anything. There's something really special about metal. In this case here, I just spray painted with enamel paint, but if you wanted it powder coated, we can do that as well. And you can also have any color combination that you want. So again, your flexibility design through color is totally up to you. That also includes the thickness. So this here is relatively thin, mild steel. If it was stainless steel, then I wouldn't have to paint it because it would be corrosive resistant. And just to give you an idea, after we plasma cut it, with the plasma cutter you see behind me here, the next step is to angle grind it. Now there's very little dross, and dross is a little bit like melted metal, powderish, that goes on the top and the bottom of where you plasma cut, or even if you water jet cut, you still have a little bit of metal that sort of gets bent, and you got to just angle grind it off. So regardless of the technology, there's always some cleanup involved, and that's really important because especially if you want to paint it or you want to hang it on the wall, you want it to go flat on the wall instead of being a little bit rough against the wall. show you this sign up close so it's a little bit easier to see the detail in it. You can see here. So everything's nice and detailed. You can definitely see that's a moose. It doesn't look like a pig or a whale or anything like that. And you also see the, just get the shine on there. You can also see the eagle. Now when making these things, it's almost the same process as making custom stencils. And what I mean by that is you want to have everything supported. If you don't have something supported, then the inside parts will fall out. So a really simple example of that would be, this is just wood, plasma cut. So the inside of this here would fall out unless it was supported by something. So whether it's stencils or metal art or regardless of what we're doing, we need to add bridges to it. Generally the bridges are about 1/8 to 1/16 of an inch, so 3 to 2 millimeters thick. Now it depends again on the metal thickness and the quality that we use it for. Sometimes we go a little bit thinner, sometimes we have to go a lot thicker because again, it does two things. One, it holds middle parts, like inside parts, but also adds a lot of strength to the overall design. Now the biggest problem customers might have is they don't know how to design a sign and they want a custom metal sign or MDF sign or wooden sign, whatever. That's not a problem. We can help you with the design process. Just send us some pictures of what you sort of want, and then based on that we can help the design process move forward and then custom make it for you. So if you want a custom metal sign, any size, any shape, any font, any design, whatever you can think of, we can make it here at CNCKing.com. Just send us an email or visit CNCKing.com.